It's clearly mentioned in the major scriptures of all the major world religions. Worship only one God. The God who has got no images. He begets not, nor is begotten.
One God.
Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in. For verily, Allah has power over all things.
All human beings is creation.
Qulidullah awidur Rahman. Say call upon him by Allah or by Rahman.
But faith's different.
By whichever name you call upon him, to him belongs the most beautiful.
Approach is different.
The attribute you give to Almighty God should be unique and should belong to no one but him.
Discover and recognize the supreme one true God.
The moment you can compare God to anything in this world, he is not God. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like him. There's nothing like him.
In a comparative analysis of different scriptures by Dr. Zakir Naik in Concept of God in World's Major Religions in Truth Exposed.